Don't overview the method shown in this video. Each of the money you make from this, with great power comes great responsibility. But if you are about to learn one of the most simple ways to make money online, today I will show you a website that will certainly pay you $10 for every 2 minutes of work. But before we start, welcome to our channel. If you enjoy our content, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Click on the notification bell, hit the thumbs up button and share it with others. Now let's start the video. The first step, come over to google.com. Whatever device you are utilizing, whether a mobile phone, tablet, PC or laptop, as long as you have access to the internet, you can go to google.com. As soon as the video ends, you will be ready to go out there and start earning money if you followed all the steps. The second step, you need to search for Capterra on Google. Now open up this website and this is what you will see as soon as you land on Capterra.com. This is a platform that is willing to pay you to write different reviews for software and programs. Don't worry, you don't have to buy that software or you don't have to use them. You can get work done in less than 2 minutes. You can see that you can browse over 700 different categories of software and programs. And between each category, you have hundreds of different software which you can review. So all those digital products are online now. You can review them and make money at $10 each. As you can see, they have over 1 million reviews. And you can do the math and see how much money people made with Capterra.com. Now you could be wondering why they would pay $10 per view. The third step is to click here where it says write a review. And that will take you over to this next page where you can find thousands of different companies and products to review. And you can search for those products and company names right here. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Now let's get back to the video. When somebody wants to buy a software or a digital product, they will certainly go online and search to learn more about it, to see what other people are saying about the product. If the reviews are positive, they purchase the software or the product. That's why Capterra.com is willing to pay you. And as you can see, you can review these popular products now, but there are thousands and thousands of other software and which you can write a review about and make money. There will be no short method to make money with Capterra.com. If you browse the category, you can see thousands and thousands of different software categories. You have all the software from business related software to customer support, data collecting software, email software, etc. And each of those which you reviewed will make real money from each of the reviews for each software. Now let's say for example, you want to review the software rather than click on it and write the review. Here is a useful tip which will save you a lot of time and make you a lot even more money. All you need to do is copy the actual title of the software, go back to Google and search for that software. You can find all the different reviews online from which you can get an idea. So I can open this web link right here. I can see how other people are doing this, what they wrote about it, how they did their reviews. As you can see, this is an example of a successful review. Here you can see what person wrote about the products, and the insight will undoubtedly permit you to review the software without actually having to buy it yourself. So you need to come to this page. I will show you at the beginning of this video, which is Capterra.com. Click on it, write a review. It takes you over to this page where you can choose whatever product and software you want to review. It takes you over to this page where you choose whichever product and software you want to review. In this case, I want to review the QuickBooks software. Click on it and that will undoubtedly take you over to the Write a Review webpage where you will need to fill out some details about yourself. So you need to enter your first name, last name, email address and all the basic stuffs about yourself. Then it will ask you some further questions like how frequently do you utilize the software? And also I recommend you select anything from daily to weekly. Don't use monthly or other because you are not using the software enough and the review will possibly not get accepted. What is your role in using the software? You are just a user. That was the first out of the 3 steps that you need to go. Let's go to the next one. So click the next button right here. Now you need to rate the actual software. This is all about the overall quality of the software. You can go back and see what other people said from the overall rating. This one was 5, and trust me, the far better the review you write and the much more positive the review, the higher chances of making money. Now you can see these options right here for this one. Let's put in 5 star for all of them. This is optional. You can rate other features if you want to, but this is also potential. But the more of you complete, the higher chances of making money you have. After that, you will need to rate the pricing for QuickBooks compared to similar product. You can say it's expensive for this part. How likely is it that you would recommend QuickBooks to a friend or colleague? I would type 9, but of course you don't need to copy and paste my answer. That will change for the software and company you are reviewing. After that, hit next. And also, here is the last step, which you need to complete, where you need to title your review and get some ideas from other people. So what I would say is something like, what book has been more shortcoming, but it is still the best for small business, or something like that. Don't copy and paste the entire title. Now you will write the pros and the cons. Then for cons, of course, you can get an idea from other people's reviews to utilize too. Change the text a bit much better and write in your own words and make that your own. This is optional. You can leave this blank. But you have a higher chance of earnings if you complete it and fill out this. Type even more money doesn't ever be lazy. And after that, you can select whether you change from one more product or not. Now click yes. And for this follow-up question, you can say something like this. I will scroll down and I will click on this. After that, click submit and you are done. And if you can make money $10 for this one single review, and as I have revealed to you, you can review all these different software from a certain category. You have over 100 software which you can review today. After that, from any category, an additional 100 and more. As you can see, the list goes on. And also, these are all simply categories in between which you have lots of different software to review. So there will certainly never be a shortage of money to be made from this website. Go to Capterra.com, start reviewing that software, start submitting your reviews, and also collect your earnings. And that's it. Before you go, make sure to subscribe to the channel, click on the notification bell, hit the like button, and leave a comment on how much money you make using this strategy. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.